warning remains in effect until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For the following areas, nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake at 7:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Showers were located along a line extending from 22 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to near Wilmette Harbor, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the nearshore.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong showers were located along a line extending from Belmont Harbor to 11 nautical miles southeast of Joliet, moving southeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Marina Shores Edging Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Nautical miles west of St. Joseph to 16 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City to 29 nautical miles west of Boogaloo, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include St. Joseph, Michigan City, New Buffalo. Move to safe harbor until the weather passes.